Astrophotography is so exciting, but you need to get to grips with a few basics to achieve great results. It will take a bit of experimentation, but there is one setup I always try first. I shoot with manual exposure. I use a 16mm lens, shutter speed 25 seconds, aperture is 2.8 and with an ISO 3200. Wide-angle shots work really nicely to get in lots of the Milky Way, but tighter shots can work well too. Just bear in mind that you will have to reduce the exposure time to stop the stars blurring as the Earth turns. With these long exposures, you are going to need a sturdy tripod and self-timer release to help reduce shake. The key is a bit of planning. Before you set out, find out where the Moon and the Milky Way are going to be at different times and set your shots accordingly. The Moon is always tricky. A little bit of light can be your friend, throwing some light on the landscape, but stars always look better with no moon at all.
This is just fantastic.
The result of nighttime shots can be really stunning, so please do give it a go.